Hi luminaries, in this video we are going to attach a pom-pom to a knitted or crochet piece. What you'll need are a knitted or crochet piece ready to go, a finished pom-pom, a piece of yarn 12 to 18 inches, a darning or tapestry needle, and sharp scissors. Okay, so let's get started. Let's first thread your needle with the attachment yarn. Just leave a 2 to 3 inch tail, not too long, and you're going to gently poke the pom-pom to find that tight middle tie. And once you do, you're going to try to figure out which direction it's going around the pom-pom. And sometimes, depending on what type of yarn you're working with, you could usually spread the pom-pom and see that tight middle tie. Do you see that? It's white. And what you're going to do is you're going to send your needle through. It's on quite tight. That tight middle tie is really, really tight, which is good. Okay, pull through. Make sure the ends are even. And then you're going to tie a tight double knot. This just helps secure and keeps the pom-pom in place. All right, I'm going to set this aside for a second because I think it's a worthwhile demo to do for you as well. So I'm going to demo this on an uncut pom-pom. So what you'll do, when I talk about that tight middle tie, this is what it looks like right there. And do you see how I'm going underneath it rather than just going through the center of the pom-pom? Now I'm going to tie that tight middle knot or tied double knot. And this way, that tie is actually pulling on the tie or the yarn rather than the pom-pom yarn, because sometimes that could actually pull out the pom-pom and makes it loose. Okay, now let's attach it to your knitted or crochet piece. So just, insert the needle with one of the side of the tie through, and then thread the other side, and then find another spot close to that, but not in the same place, and send it through. And now you could turn your piece inside out. And then what you're going to do here is just make sure that both of the strings are completely pulled through and that there's no slack on the other side. And then I'm just going to tie a bow tie here. So if you tie a bow tie, you're going to be able to remove the pom-pom when you want to wash it. Trim the string. You could actually also weave in the loose ends as well. And that is it. Every hat needs a pom-pom. Thanks and enjoy.